Hi, I'm Christine Dunbar from SpeechModification.com, and this is my Smart American Accent training. In this video, we'll learn about one way the letter N is pronounced at the ends of words. Want to sound American? You can do it. SpeechModification.com. Listen to these words: button, certain, mountain. In words like these, the letter N is a syllabic N. A syllable is usually made up of a vowel sound with or without a consonant sound before or after, or both. For syllabic N, the consonant is the whole syllable. It sounds like n. Syllabic N is usually an unstressed syllable after a T or a Z at the end of the word. Let's try saying a few. Certain, button, important, mountain, reason, present, sentence. You might have noticed I don't use an aspirated T in these words. I use a stopped T where I go up to form the T sound and I don't release the air. I release right from the T to the syllable N. Button, not button. You can learn more about stop T in this video. Get more practice help for syllabic N and other American English pronunciation on my website, SpeechModification.com, or sign up for one of my online courses. Remember, if you want to sound American, you can do it. SpeechModification.com.